Toyota, a name associated with quality products, is considered by many to be one of the world's greatest manufacturers. This worldwide reputation is based on a specific way of manufacturing called TPS, the Toyota Production System, created to benefit Toyota's customers, employees, and products. So, what does this mean for our customers and their businesses? TPS is an expression of the Toyota Way, a philosophy containing 5 core values: Genshi Genbutsu, Kaizen, challenge, teamwork, and respect. These values are practiced and shared by all Toyota team members at every level in their daily work and relations with others. The origin of this philosophy was first conceived by Sakishi Toyoda, who invented the first automatic weaving loom. Improved versions of these looms would stop themselves automatically if a thread broke, so that product quality could be maintained and waste avoided. However, the true architect of TPS is Taishi Ono, who in the early 1950s drew inspiration from American supermarkets. He marveled at the way the shelves were hardly ever empty because they were restocked so quickly. Customers could choose the exact products they wanted in the exact quantities they wanted. Today, this is called supply-on-demand manufacturing, also known as lean production. This means that the production process will only be launched after the customer has placed an order. Once the production commences, parts arrive just in time at the factory and on the production lines, and the supplies are regulated in accordance with the exact production requirements. Like a pillar, just-in-time plays a key role supporting the Toyota production system. On the production lines, Kanban cards are employed to replenish parts just in time when stocks become low. The time it takes to produce a component or a truck is recorded, and these are called takt times. These times and work cycles are carefully monitored, then coordinated through detailed scheduling called heijunka. Heijunka ensures that production lines run smoothly, without interruption, even when different products are being manufactured simultaneously on the same production line. TPS is all about creating efficiency. Even wasteful processes and time lost are named. They are called muda. One of the main objectives of TPS is to reduce and eliminate all muda, so that time and production are managed with maximum efficiency in a way that does not overburden either an individual, a workforce, or a machine. In consequence, all workers can concentrate on their tasks and deliver better quality products. The second pillar that supports the Toyota production system is jidoka, or making abnormalities visible. Every team member is empowered to stop the production process whenever a potential fault is detected, so a solution can be found immediately. This means that any problem is made visible on the factory floor and is displayed on the andon boards as soon as it is detected during the manufacturing process. Should a problem occur, Toyota team members are always encouraged to examine its origins and to practice Genshi Genbutsu, which means going to the source, finding the root of the problem and solving it to ensure production quality. Standardization of the manufacturing process is intrinsic to the Toyota production system's success. Developing and relying on standardized work tasks streamlines the production process and ensures consistently high levels of quality. Overall, jidoka enables Toyota to provide customers with reliable, durable, high-quality products that offer customers better productivity for their businesses and, in consequence, provide a greater return on their investment. One of the foundations of the Toyota production system is Kaizen. This means continuous improvement. Fundamental to the Toyota production process, Kaizen can be considered as both a process as well as a philosophy. At regular scheduled meetings, team members are invited to give their opinions and share their suggestions for any improvements. Inevitably, these meetings encourage and create teamwork. In a typical year in our European factories, more than 3,000 proposals for improvements are suggested and considered. Perhaps this is why the Toyota production system has also been named the Thinking People System, as it relies on total commitment from everyone involved. TPS is present in every aspect of work and builds respect. All team members are requested to play an active role in keeping work environments clean by employing the 5 S's: sifting, sorting, sweeping, spick and span, and sustain. Clean and tidy work environments benefit the entire production process. Regarding the global environment, TPS is more than willing to adhere to government standards. As the environment concerns both Toyota and our customers, our 3 European factories are all ISO 14001 certified and are fitted with the latest technologies to manufacture products that have the minimum impact upon the environment. Within the Toyota production system, safety is also of paramount importance. Most of Toyota's manufacturing sites are certified or striving for OSAS 18001 certification, so that all team members work within respected standards in a safe and healthy environment. TPS creates a safe and responsible system, producing innovative, safer products that benefit the customers and their drivers. Safer products lead to improved productivity, which creates lower overall costs for the customer. TPS, a unique production system that enables Toyota to face all challenges and manufacture products of the highest quality, products that are cost-efficient and whose delivery will be on time. TPS respects the environment and adheres to the highest safety standards. TPS, the Toyota production system, a proven world-class system benefiting Toyota's products, our customers, and our team members. Toyota Material Handling. Stronger together.